Alright, so we're back in the note page and we're going to go over part C, match the correlation. So we're going to use these examples above that we just went over in the previous part to match the following scatter plots. So we're going to see that right here that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scatter plots, and then there's descriptions of the correlations. So what we're going to do is we're going to match the graph of the scatter plot to the correct correlation type. So I'm going to show you just how we match on here. So on the toolbar at the top of this page, you'll see the Draw tab. So you're going to click up here, Draw. There's a bunch of different colored pens that you can choose from. So you can choose pens and you can choose a bunch of different colors. You can go over here and change ink color, and you can really pick any color you want. So it doesn't matter what color, and then you're going to draw lines matching the scatter plot to the description. So just like if you were to just draw from the graph to the description, right, in a normal. So let's go on. So for example, I'm going to do the first one with you, and then you're going to do the rest of them on your own, and this is really going to check your understanding of today's lesson. So let's take a look at this first one. Okay, so I notice that these points are going down. I'm decreasing. So as I read this left to right, my points are going down. Okay, so because it's going down, I'm going to go up here and I'm like, okay, well, the ones that go down must be the negative ones. Okay, so I know it's either strong negative or weak negative just because it's going down. Okay. Well, what I notice is that when it's strong, the points are closer together, and when they're weak, they're a little bit more spread out. So now I have to compare the points. Okay, well, they seem pretty close together. They're looking like they create a pretty nice line. So that means we're looking at a strong negative correlation. Okay, so what I've been drawing is just to kind of help what I'm talking about. The only thing that you guys need to draw is you're going to come over here and then we change the color to show what you need to do. So we just figured out that this one was strong negative. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to draw a line from strong negative down here to C. And just like that, I matched the scatter plot to the definition. This is a strong negative correlation. Negative because it's going down, strong because the points are very close together, forming a line. You're going to go ahead and you're going to match the rest of these 4 examples to the correct correlation type. And then you're going to answer this lesson reflection question like we normally do. Make sure that once everything is completely done, that you turn it in by finding that turn in button, and that you return to Teams if you're in class. If you have any questions at all, or if you're nearly stuck on what to do here, go back to the section before, watch that video that was covering this lesson where we talked in depth about each of the correlation types. Okay, so again, what you're doing is you're finishing this by drawing the lines matching the scatter plot to the right type. You're going to finish that section, you do your lesson reflection question right here, and then you turn it in and come back to Teams for exit ticket, or if you're not in class, then have a great day and we'll talk soon.